Welcome back to our kitchen and welcome back to our channel. Pull up a chair, sit down, and let's cook something together. Tonight we are going to make some Arroz Con Pollo, I think is what they call it. First thing that we're going to want to do is grab ourselves some chicken and shred it up in our pan. So we have one chicken breast in here that we cut up with our kitchen shears, and we're going to cut one more up. We have both chicken breasts cut up. We're going to add some seasonings. So we're going to go in with some salt and some pepper. Some smoked paprika. A little bit of tahini. And as this starts to cook on medium, we're going to go ahead and chop up an onion and some fresh garlic. I've peeled 4 cloves of garlic. I'm going to smush them up in this garlic press. We're just going to put it right on top. Now that that's in, we're going to chop up our onion very fine and add it. We're going to add our onions right on top. We're going to stir this all together, and then we're just going to let the chicken cook and get all the seasoning in it. Let that all mix together. Now we're going to let those onions, garlic, and seasonings all mix in with the chicken and let the chicken cook. Alright, so that's looking good. You can add whatever seasonings you want. That's the seasonings that I chose to put in according to the recipe that I saw, but they also said you can add your own seasoning. So now we're going to add 1 can of Rotel. And we're just going to let that simmer for a little bit while we cook our Spanish rice. What are you shaking?
Nothing.
What are you shaking?
Nothing.
So you can use the bagged rice. We're using the good yellow rice. It's better than the bagged rice. So we're going to make this up, and we're going to make our cheese roux to add as well. That chicken is looking and smelling really good in there. We got the rice over here, and now to make the roux, you're going to put in 2 tablespoons of butter and let that melt, and add 2 tablespoons of flour. Got that in there, and we're just going to mix this all together until it makes a thick paste, and we're going to add 2 cups of chicken broth.
Go fast.
Nope, you're going to pour that in slowly. Not that slow. I'm just going to kind of mix it all in here. Can pour a little faster. Nope. Go ahead and just pour it all in. Then you're going to mix that all until everything's dissolved, and we're going to add 1 cup of milk or heavy cream. Now you're going to add in your 1 cup of milk and stir that all together. Keep track. You're going to add in your 2 cups of cheese and stir that and just let it melt in there. Got our 2 cups in there, and we're just going to let that melt down in, and it will all absorb and it'll get thicker. Now we grated our own cheese with our Guidel grater. That's better than the bagged cheese because it's not waxy or paraffin-y, and it melts smoother versus grainier. Oh, it's getting thick down below. Yeah, it's gonna thicken up. The flour in there will make it thicker, the cheese will make it thicker, but you just want it to do it slowly so the cheese melts and isn't all chunky. It's the time we all been waiting for. The cheese sauce is ready. The chicken is ready. The rice is ready. We're gonna plate this up. I'll lay down a bed of rice. Put a scoop of the Rotel chicken. And add your Queso Cheese Sauce. And there you have it. Thanks for watching. Till the next video, don't forget to like, subscribe, comment down below, and stay cooking.